Today, we're going to talk about a new technology I found on the trending GitHub repositories list. It's called Parlant. It helps you build compliant AI chat agents in minutes. So, have you ever found that in production, your AI agents are hallucinating? Parlant helps with that. And it's simply just a Python package that you can install with pip. I've installed it with UV. But today I want to talk to you about a pull request that just landed in their latest version, 3.0.2, which adds support for local models with Ollama. I think this is really great because you can now run Parlant completely locally and you don't have to pay for any models. So now let's go to our terminal and we're going to run Parlant with uv run main.py. And then on the right hand side, oops, I should have ran Ollama first. So we're going to run Ollama with Ollama serve. And then we're going to run uv run main.py. And this will start up Parlant and it'll start up our chat agent that I built. So now if we go to our editor, you can see I've built a simple car guy chat AI agent, and I basically use Ollama as the NLP service for this agent. And I've given it some guidelines that it should follow, as you can see here. So whenever the user asks about cars, the agent will give an answer about cars. So now let's see that in practice. Now, if we go to our local host where Parlant is running, I've asked the question, hello, and it responded with, hello, how can I assist you with your car needs today? And good day. It sounds like we have a lot of exciting topics to discuss about cars. What's on your mind? And you can see if we inspect this, all of this has been generated by Ollama, which is really cool because then we don't have to pay for OpenAI's API keys. All right, that's today's video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care.